stage which is now set for a showdown in Delhi over the MCD Ward Committee and Standing Committee elections, which is scheduled to be held soon. But last evening, Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi refused to appoint the presiding officers for the elections, thereby raising uncertainty over the conduct of elections. Oberoi wrote to the MCD Commissioner stating that her conscience does not allow her to participate in what she calls as an undemocratic election process. She said that she received multiple representations from councillors who were unable to file nomination as only one-day notice was given. Oberoi in a letter has stated that providing sufficient time for nomination is essential for upholding the fairness of a democratic process. She also directed the MCD Commissioner to restart the election process, given that least a week's notice that we made for filing nominations. But hours after that she sought for a revised election schedule and refused to appoint presiding officers, Delhi LG has issued directions that the elections be held as per the schedule notified by the MCD Commissioner. Delhi LG VK Saxena also directed the Deputy Commissioner of concerned zone shall perform functions and duties of presiding officers in the interest of free and fair elections. Now, the BJP has slammed the Delhi mayor, saying that by refusing to appoint a presiding officer, she has throttled democracy. Delhi BJP has also sought the dismissal of Shelly Oberoi, as asserting that she has lost all constitutional and ethical right to stay as the mayor. We have Rishabh with us. Rishabh, good morning. How do we understand as far as the election process is concerned without presiding officers? Of course, when it comes to the appointment that needs to be done by the mayor herself, refusing to do so.
Well, Delhi and Delhi administration has become a tug of war between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, and the way anything and everything becomes controversial is something that showcases that how the whole game of power in national capital is not going down well for the people of Delhi, the Aam Aadmi of Delhi. As simple as the constitutional procedure like elections for the standing committee or election for the and other issues in MCD, that has not happened. Remember, it's been almost a year since the election has happened. Since then, there hasn't been any election for the standing committee members, and now when the elections are even happening, first there is issue with whether there was sufficient time for nomination or not. Then Shelly Oberoi do not appoint presiding officer. It comes from Delhi LG's office, who is the administrator of Delhi.
So the LG says follow the schedule as far as holding elections as per the notified schedule that has been given by the MCD Commissioner. That remains as far as the latest face-off that is concerning between the Aam Aadmi Party and also when it comes to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor in the national capital. Please do continue to be with us, Rishabh. Let's get you one